got this coffee hours ago. The main reason I got it was so that it could help my everything going on right here. Help melt it down, you know. Then I fell asleep for several hours, and now it's cold. Buonasera, buonasera. What have you done to this chest cold? On the day of my shooting this MMA. This is premium content right here. Oh, jeez. And now I just need it to help wake me up. I think like the last 6 days, maybe more, I've taken a nap every day. Sometimes more than one nap. I've never napped so much. But it's weird because I've been napping. Well, I know it sounds dumb, like, oh yeah, you're throwing off your schedule. I can nap no problem during the day, but I can't sleep at night. And it's really not because I've been napping. It's more like I can't sleep at night, especially when you're sick. You can't breathe and stuff, so your body's not comfortable enough to sleep. I end up being so tired then that during the day I just crash out. I don't know. It's like your neck, your throat knows. Oh, it's nighttime. Act up. But I've been sleeping during the day a lot, and now it's way late in the day, and I'm just getting started, and I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to record something. And apparently, people have a problem with Jesse not shaving. So now maybe I need to shave too, which makes me feel like forget it. I'll do it tomorrow because I hate shaving. That last video I did, the Conor McGregor interview, that was like the peak of my flu. I had a bad flu that day. Had a fever. I was feeling terrible, but I was like, I gotta get this video done. I don't really know why either. It was a crazy old interview. There was nothing timely about it. I'm gonna do something I thought I would never do. And it looks like it, unless I chicken out, I'm gonna be cross promoting Video Squid on the Vodo channel. I've promoted the Vodo channel on here before. I've never promoted this channel on there. So unless I change my mind, I'm gonna talk about it on the next video that I shoot. See what happens. If anybody new does come over and you see this and you look at some of the older videos on this channel has been kind of mellow for a while. I don't want it to be though. I had so much fun on this channel and I just had to back off for a while. But you'll see a bunch of reactions and stuff. If everything goes right, it'll be much more than that. Or I'll have fun doing like a variety of things, reacting to all types of videos, just hanging out, watching whatever, and just riffing on it. I don't know. or not watching anything at all and just talking like this. It's nice to have something like this. Because to me, I could never do something like this on the other channel. I wouldn't allow myself. The other one is like, that's work. That's hard work. That's writing. That's editing. This is like, all right, what's up, guys? I feel like I kind of need something like this right now. I'm gonna wrap it up though, cause this video is gonna take forever to upload if it's too long, and I just need to get to work already. So let's see what happens. If this is weird for you and you're like, what? Like if you didn't already know that there's more to this person than just Jesse, and this is very new and you have questions, let me know. We could have like a back and forth question answer kind of thing going if need be. That would be fun. If you don't care, then just watch whatever I upload and then we're good, right? They should get better. They should get better in the future. When I'm not sick anymore. No promises though. But they should get better.